Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. If you are just starting out with QGIS and looking for the easiest way to install it on Windows, you are in the right place. Let's skip the jargon and get straight to what you need. There are many ways to install QGIS depending on your operating system or technical comfort. But for beginners, the easiest way is the standalone installer for Windows. Now, before going into the details, we have to take a look at the minimum system requirements for Windows. Ideally, your PC should have Windows 8.1 or later with the hardware specifications as mentioned here. Head to qgis.org and go to the download section. Choose the long-term release standalone installer for Windows. It's the most stable version and perfect for beginners. Download the file, and once it's downloaded, run it to install. Accept all default settings and wait a few minutes for the installation to complete. After installation, look for QGIS Desktop LTR in your start menu or the folder in which the QGIS shortcut is present and open it. Now let's take a quick look at the QGIS interface so you don't need to feel lost on your first day. You will see the menu bar, toolbars, a layer panel on the left, a browser panel and the map canvas in the center. If anything's missing, just go to View, Panels to activate it or deactivate as per your requirement. Now let's add your first map file. You can either drag and drop a shapefile or raster from the browser panel or use the add layer button from the toolbar. And there it is. Your map is now displayed in the canvas. To make it a bit more appealing, you can change the layer colors based on attributes of your files. Right click your file and select properties, go to symbology and select, in this case, categorize layer. Now it depends upon your shapefile how you should color it. I am categorizing this particular file as per its name. Now you can see each region are displayed in a unique color. You can change the color as per your preferences. Now if you want to add labels, provided the labels are provided in the attributes, you can just enable the labels, and with some slight tweaks you can have a better visual of your shapefile. Now this is just a preview. We will discuss more about styling and enhancing our visuals in the future videos. To add satellite imagery, create maps and do powerful analysis without coding. Subscribe if you found this helpful and drop your questions in the comments. Take care.